is Nuraida Shafiqa binti Zaib with metric number of 2404011. I'm taking diploma in flight operation and management in Unicam. Today, I will discuss about productive and non-productive things I did based on my daily routine as a part-time student. For productive things, for the first one will be wake up early in the morning. So we have to wake up early in the morning, and as for Muslim, we have to wake up early in the morning to perform our Fajr prayer. For the second one, I would say go for a morning jog. It is a benefit things and a productive things to do because to stay fit and healthy, we must do exercise at least twice per week. For the third one will be sending my car for service and sending my brother to his destination. I'm sending my car for a service because my car need a car service after a while, and I'm sending my brother because he doesn't have his car because he just sent his car for car service as well, and that will make his work easier by me sending him to his destination. For the fourth one will be cooking for lunch. It is a good thing and a productive things to do by helping my mom to cook for a lunch. For the fifth one will be picking my niece up from school. And for the sixth one will be study and do all my assignments. I will study to achieve all my dreams, and I will try to complete and submit all my assignments before the deadline. For the seventh one will be playing with my niece on the evening time. It is a good thing and a benefit things to do with your family because it can strengthen your relationship and to keep them productive as well. For the eighth one will be attending my night class. It is my responsibility to attend my night class and to pay attention on what lecturer teaching us. For non-productive things, the first one will be go all the way to the beach to watch sunrise. It is a good thing to enjoy the beauty of God's creation, but instead of doing so, I can just watch sunrise at my home. By doing that, I can help my mom in the morning, and it is also took me 20 minutes to the beach. The second one will be going out for supper. It is not a good thing and non-productive things because our class ended at 11 p.m. and I will go after 11. It's not a good thing and it's not good for our health to eat at late night. For the third one will be making and drinking coffee at late night. Drinking coffee at late night is not good for our health because it will give you hard time to sleep and you won't have enough sleep for that night if you drink coffee. And the fourth one will be watching K-drama. There's no benefit and there's no good things in that at all. I can just say it's just wasting your time by doing that, but it's just for fun. So, in conclusion, effective time management is a key factor in achieving success in life. By prioritizing your tasks, creating a schedule that works for you, and eliminating distraction, you can increase your productivity, reduce stress, and achieve your goals. And I guess that's all about it from me. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.